With Danielle. Let's take you to Plum Island right now. Antoinette Antonio was there this morning. Antoinette dealing with intense winter conditions.
And good morning from a very windy Plum Island. We just got here not too long ago, and I have to tell you the drive was absolutely miserable. Blizzard conditions out here. At one point we were driving and we just had to stop because you cannot see anything, you cannot see the roads, you cannot see where they begin and where they end. So it is just an intense morning out here as far as the wind goes. And you can see the blowing snow right now. A lot of this coming off the snowbanks and a lot of the snow that was already on the ground. So we're going to continue to monitor the conditions out here. But once again, it is just a very intense morning out here. The roads are completely covered, a lot of them. The plow workers are trying to do their best to make their way around town, but it is just almost impossible to keep up with all of the snow, with the wind and the blowing snow. So for now, I'm Antoinette Antonio on Plum Island. We'll send it back to you.
All right.